Welcome to third video of lesson 1 Geography Standard 6 Representation of Features. Representation of geographical features. So in this video, let's continue the importance of maps. Maps are important for various reasons. Maps are used for variety of purposes. Students and teachers gain knowledge and accurate information about places from maps. Navigators use them to find the direction of their destination, and town planners use them for town planning. Maps are easy to carry and are therefore especially helpful for travelers. Maps make use of different signs, symbols, and colors to provide distinct information. This ensures that information is presented in a clear and concise manner with minimal scope for misinterpretation. So children, maps are important for various reasons. Number 1, they are used for different purposes. Teachers and students use these maps to gain knowledge and get accurate information about places. Navigators use them to find the direction of their destination, and town planners use them for town planning. Number 2, maps are easy to carry from one place to another and helpful for travelers. They make use of different signs, symbols, and colors to provide different information, which is presented in a clear and concise manner with less scope of misinterpretation. Now let's see the next one, elements of map. Elements of map help us to read and understand the maps better. There are some basic elements which are necessary for us. Number 1, title. It is the subject of the map. It tells us what the map is about. Elements of a map helps us to read and understand the maps better, and some basic elements which are necessary for a map are: first one, title. The subject of the map is called title. It tells us what the map is about. And the next one is direction. Direction is an essential component of map study. Without direction, one can never reach one's destination. Direction is expressed in relation to a given point. For example, Chennai is towards the south of Kolkata. There are 4 directions which are commonly used as 4 cardinal points: east, west, north, and south. The cardinal points are further divided into 4 intermediate directions. These are northwest, northeast, southwest, and southeast. Children, direction is an essential component to map study. Without direction, one can never reach one's destination. There are 4 directions which are commonly known as cardinal points. They are east, west, north, and south. These cardinal points further divided into 4 intermediate directions. They are northwest, northeast, southwest, and southeast. Let's go through the diagram. Now in this diagram, how to know the directions on a map? On a map, top always shows north direction, bottom shows south, right side east, left side west. And in between north and east, northeast, in between north and west, northwest, in between south and east, southeast, in between south and west, southwest. These are 4 intermediate directions. Now, let's see the importance of directions. With the help of directions, we can study the phenomena of celestial bodies in the sky. We know that our earth rotates from west to east on its axis. We also know that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. With the help of these directions, we can find our destination on the map. The Navy, Air Force, and Army of our country work on the basis of directions. Directions are important for the student to study the map of a country or a town. With the help of now in importance of directions, with the help of directions, we can study the phenomena of celestial bodies in the sky. Number 2, and everyone knew that the planet Earth rotates from west to east on its axis, so that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Now let's see the third point. With the help of directions, we can find our destination on the map easily. And let's see the fourth point. 3 wings of armed forces of our country: Navy, Air Force, and Army work on the basis of directions, especially in the border areas. Now let's see the fifth importance. Directions are important for the students to study the map. Students, remaining part of the lesson will be continued in the next video.